Hello everyone, welcome to DMUIC. My name's Nick Besley and I'm the Head of English. The purpose of the English department is really twofold. One of them is to improve your academic skills, to help you with your subject modules and give you a better chance of success when you get onto the university. The second part is to try and improve your language skills. We'll be working on your vocabulary, your pronunciation, your grammar, and of course your reading, writing, speaking and listening skills, and hoping that by the end you'll have improved in all of those areas and that you'll be writing fantastic essays, delivering fantastic presentations, and as a result getting fantastic grades. Before you arrive at the college, one of the most useful things you can do is try to get as much exposure to English as you possibly can. Try to watch TV in English, watch films, listen to music. You can read books. If you have any English friends, try and speak to them, or if you have other friends who speak English, try communicating with them, just to get your ear in tune and to get yourself ready for listening to lectures, attending lessons, and of course speaking to the many new friends that you're going to make in the English language. The reason you should join DMUIC is it's going to give you a great head start when you get to the university. We'll be showing you how to structure your academic texts, whether that's spoken or written. Quite often we hear from home students from the UK, that when they arrive at the university they're lost, they don't know what to do. You're going to have a head start on all those students because you will know how to structure an introduction, how to structure a conclusion, how to paraphrase, how to research effectively, and how to link your ideas in a presentation.